Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a teeny bit different. We have a bark box for you, and this is a box for Marley, our puppy, our beautiful dog. He's very hyper, so I wanted to try this out to see if he would like it, and what better way to do it than an unboxing with my kids and my Marley. Marley, thank you. Come here.
Jeez.
So look, Marley, see, he's very hyper.
Hello.
Hi. Look, Marley, look. Okay, so let's have him sit. Okay, Marley, look, this is for you.
Marley.
Oh my gosh.
You see that? He always wants to eat everything.
Look.
He's hyper.
Michael, throw this out.
Yeah, he wants
Marley,
to throw this out. Everything.
Right here. Okay, so this is sorry, right here. So this is the February box. Chris, get it in the frame. At least he's kind of laying down now.
Yeah.
So this is this is what it looks like inside. This video is gonna be a fiasco, but that's okay.
Very big one.
And then, this is what it looks like inside, and I fell in love with it. It says, noses are wet, violets aren't food. I'm looking for true love, and I think it's you. So this is what it brings inside. It's so cute because it has two little toys, and they're like Valentine's and like inspired or themed. So the first one is this adorable,
I want to show.
and he knows it's for him. It's this adorable Valentine rose. Marley, stop.
Marley, stop it. Marley.
And it's called the Howlentine rose. And it's a cute little chew toy for him. So we're going to give it to him because if not, he's not going to stop.
Yeah, have it.
Okay, so he took his rose.
And
then the next one is super adorable too. Show them.
It's a heart. It kind of looks like a package.
Yes. It's called the Tennis Truffles because it looks like a little chocolate
and there's
thing.
tennis balls in it.
And then when you open it up, it has these cute little tennis balls. They're so cute, guys.
And it says bark.
And it says bark on each one. He's there with his little rose right now. We can't even look at him. He's like too hyper. Then also in here, hold this. Here, sit over here and get something. We have an I Love Chew. This is a beef dog treat.
It's a heart and
here. And then the last two things are two treat bags.
Yeah.
Christopher's gonna show you one.
Ham over heels.
They can't see you.
Pork dog treats.
Let's show them. So we're gonna open that up, and we're gonna open both of them up and have him like taste test it, I guess, Marley.
So we have cocoa nuts fruit
for you.
For you.
All right, so let's open them up. So this one is pork dog treats. I know as soon as he smells that, he'll probably want one. Look, there he is with his rose. He's so happy. Oh, there he is. He smelled that for sure. Okay, so wait, sit. Good boy. Marley,
Rosie.
Sit. No, sit. He doesn't want to sit, guys, because he's like, sit. Good boy. Also, he liked that treat. So
no, he didn't.
Okay, wait. Okay, he's eating it now, if you guys can see. That was the pork dog treat. Well, he doesn't really like it too much. All right, so, well, now he's grabbing it again. He doesn't know what to do with it.
He spits it out all the time.
Let's try the one that you have. I'll be putting the price of this box.
I can't open it.
I'll be putting the price of this box down below so you guys can.
Okay.
So this one is coconut and carob dog treats.
Cocoa.
So let's see if he likes this one. He's excited. Marley.
Hey, I got one.
Oh, you had one? I'm sorry, I didn't know you had one.
He likes it.
Oh, he likes that one. So he likes the coconut and carob ones. He's not too fond of the pork ones. Grab it, puppy. Let's try to give it to him again and see. Wait.
Why you don't like what mommy got you?
Oh, there he is. Now he's biting the pork one. So
No,
he
he's
does
like,
like them. And then last but not least, let's try to have him try this thing, which is a beef dog treat. I think we're going to need scissors.
Is he going to eat it?
He does like his flour for sure.
Okay.
Okay, he ate the pork treat.
Wait.
Marley is like so hyper, guys. Like I can't get him on camera for you guys. You need to hurry up because my battery is about to die. Good. Say hi to the camera. Say hi.
You entertain them while I come.
No. You got it?
Michael, I'm in Marley.
There he goes with his rose again. A beef dog treat, which he like ripped out of my hand.
Yeah, he didn't like one.
And it looks like he likes it.
Did he eat it? Does he eat it?
Give it to him. He's gonna figure it out.
So
he loves his little flower. Marley. I'll be probably inserting pictures of him with his little flower because he loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this fiasco of a video with Marley running around and the kids. Sorry, Papa. Marley, ven acá. No, he's busy eating his beef dog treat. He liked it. Guys, this box is so adorable. I loved it. It brings like the little play toys for the dogs and the treats.